Hey pizza lovers, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we check out gear that makes your backyard the place to be. Today, I'm fired up to talk about the Bighorn Outdoors dual fuel pizza oven. If you want restaurant quality pizza at home, this oven is an absolute game changer. Stick around to see why, and don't forget to click the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's dive into the features of this Bighorn dual fuel pizza oven. This 12-inch oven runs on both wood pellets and propane gas, giving you flexibility to choose your fuel for that perfect wood-fired flavor or quick gas-powered cooking. It heats up to 860 degrees Fahrenheit in about 15 minutes, baking a pizza in just 60 to 90 seconds. The stainless steel body is durable, with foldable legs for easy storage and portability, making it great for backyard parties or camping. It comes with a 12-inch pizza stone for crispy crusts, and the built-in thermometer helps you monitor the temperature. The upgraded pellet hopper makes refueling simple, and the detachable gas burner lets you switch fuels easily. At around 25 pounds, it's lightweight enough to take anywhere, and the sleek silver design looks sharp in any outdoor setup. Now, pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The dual fuel option is super versatile, letting you go for smoky pellet flavor or fast gas cooking. It heats up quickly, cooks pizzas fast, and delivers that authentic, crispy crust. The portable design and easy assembly are perfect for beginners or pros. Customer service is top-notch. Some users even got free replacement stones when theirs cracked. Cons? The pizza stone can crack if not handled carefully, especially with extreme temperature changes. It's a bit of a pellet hog, so keep plenty on hand. The $200 price might feel steep for casual users, and you'll need a pizza peel, which isn't included. Should you buy the Bighorn dual fuel pizza oven? Totally, if you love making pizza at home or on the go. It's perfect for pizza enthusiasts, campers, or anyone wanting to impress at backyard gatherings. If you're as excited as I am, hit that subscribe button for more reviews and click the Amazon link in the description to grab the Bighorn pizza oven at the best price. Rick's Review Hub has special promotional pricing, so use the link below to save big. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe if this helps. See you in the next one.